Alexander has a very specific routine. He has lived it for years. One day, the voice woke him up. Something is wrong. Someone has sabotaged the tower. Can time go mad? Yes. This won't be easy. Time is running out.
Hi guys, my name is Marco Gonzalez. He is my partner Oscar Cerda. We are part of the Watchmakers team, and just like Alexander, we are also fighting against time.
We have worked for more than 3 years in our game, and now we need your help to complete it. We are a small team on the southernmost country you can think of, working under one goal in common, to fulfill our dream to finish the Watchmaker, and we need your help.
Your support will greatly help us toward our goals and will be rewarded with incredible gifts. You will be able to receive unique items from the Watchmaker world and may even appear in the game.
Thanks to all who have seen our presentation. We hope you like our project.
And we'll keep you updated.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.